Listen, student, as you all know, Lionized Secondary School is the best in the city of Abuja. So I urge every student to maintain good habit. You must ensure you abide by the school rules and regulations.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach us, I want to reveal to us an amazing AI tool we can be able to use. As you can see, I'm going to teach us how to create this Nollywood film using AI step by step, and I'm going to teach you how to do that step by step. First of all, one of the first things we must know is that when it comes to creating a complete movie using AI, one of the challenges we usually face is inconsistent character. When you're having a consistent movie, it's supposed to have a consistent character from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to teach you how to be able to generate consistent character from the beginning to the end, and also how to create scenes by scene and make everything. Imagine, all right guys, you know what, this tool is completely free. You are not paying anything. There is nothing like putting your card details or anything. So it's completely free, and let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to be teaching this. We are going to be creating this movie using an AI tool called LM Arena. LM Arena, we have LM Arena for image generator, and we have LM Arena for video generator. So first of all, I want us to go and generate the kind of image we want to use to generate our video. So first of all, we are going to move on to LM Arena. Go to Google, type LM Arena AI, then you click. So LM Arena AI, as you can see now, here we are in LM Arena. So now you can see where it say ask anything. Now you go up where they say battle. You click on the battle, you go to direct shot. Click on direct shot. Now you can see it has a Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now you come down to where it say ask anything and click on the image. When you click on the image, you go back, you can see that it says select model. So you're going to click on select model, where you're going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana. That is to say, we're going to be generating video images using that Nano Banana on that is LM Arena platform. So, and it's completely free. There is nothing that you're going to pay for anything. So it's completely free. Now, secondly, what we need to do now is the kind of image we want to generate. We need to generate our characters. Now, for this movie, I want us to create 5 characters for this movie, and we are going to make it look like okay, let's say a principal speaking to the student on the assembly ground. So we are going to do that right now. So before that, let's go and generate our image, our prompts. So for us to generate the prompt, we move on to ChatGPT to generate our prompt. Now let's open ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate our prompt. So I'm going to use voice chat for ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Okay, I'm going to use voice chat to generate the prompt. All right, so today I want to generate a video. I want to create a Nollywood film, Nigerian film, using AI, and we want to generate the first scene. The first scene is going to constitute students, pupils, like secondary school students, lined up on the assembly ground, and then the principal is talking to the student. All right. So the principal is talking to the student. So the camera angle is going to be, we're going to have the close-up of the school principal, the close-up for many of the students, the long shots for the students, and also the drone shot for all the students, covering the entire school and everything. So you're going to make that possible. So you generate a beautiful detailed prompt that we can use to generate this image. First of all, I want to generate the image, so write a beautiful prompt I can use to generate the image. Okay guys, while we wait for ChatGPT to transcribe that into text, and then okay, now it's going to generate the prompt right now. The prompt we are going to use, as you can see here, is the prompt: a cinematic Nollywood-style morning school assembly in a Nigerian secondary school compound. The student are dressed in neat and school uniform. So first of all, we're going to copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. The prompt has been generated. Let's copy the prompt. Okay, so we've copied the prompt. Now we move on to LM Arena. Then we describe the image we want to generate. So we paste our prompt here and we wait for our image to be generated. So our image is being generated. So let's wait for LM Arena to generate our image. So guys, it's very, very simple. Like I said, when you have a good, all right, you can see our image is generated. Our image is generated already, and this is very good. So now we're going to download the image. Let's download the image. So we're going to download the image first. So let's move down here, download the image. So guys, if you have your own specific image, it's very, very easy to use. When you have your own specific image, it's very, very easy and it will give you a very good result. Yeah, a very, very good result. So now this image, we are going to use this image to generate the video. So first of all, I want the close-up of the principal holding the microphone line. So that the camera can face the principal alone. So now we are going to move on to ChatGPT to generate that image also. Now let's add ChatGPT to do that. Okay, so this time I want you to generate another prompt so now this time I want the close-up of the school principal holding the microphone and speaking to the student. So you're going to generate an image of a close-up of the image where the principal is facing the student and speaking to the student. Okay, so generate the image, use the same, let the background be the same, everything other the same, the student, the uniform, everything remain the same. Write the prompt. So guys, I'm waiting for ChatGPT to transcribe that into text, and then we wait for our prompt to be ready. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to do that. Generating prompt with ChatGPT is really amazing. So first of all, let's copy our prompt and we head on to our LM Arena. Here we are again. We paste the prompt. Let's paste the prompt and we generate our image. So guys, it's working already. Let's wait for our image to be generated. As you can see, it's very, very simple, very, very easy to be done anytime, anywhere. It doesn't waste time, it doesn't take time at all. So the thing is that our image is being generated already. Wow, as you can see, this is different close-up of the students have been generated. This is mind-blowing, guys. So we are going to be using each of these to animate the video for each of the scene. We're going to animate for each of the scene. So now what we're going to do is that we are going to download. Okay guys, now we move on to generate the video using the image we've generated. As you can see, if you have your own image, you don't need to pass through this process. Now let's move on. So the second thing you have to do is to create an account with LM Arena. You're going to use create an account on Discord. Now let me show you something. When you move on to the session here, when you click on this arrow, you're going to see where it says, look at this, LM Arena, say join Discord. So if this is your first time, you are going to click on join Discord. When you click on join Discord, it's going to open Discord. If you have the app on your phone, it's very easy. If you don't have the app, you can actually use the website. It's still good. So you're going to join Discord, where after joining Discord, you are going to end up on this page. Now let me open, because I already joined Discord. I'm already there. So here is my Discord account. So you're going to join Discord. You're going to create another Discord account. Another Discord account, you're going to come to this place. So when you come to this place, you are going to move on to look at this option here. You're going to look at video. You see video arena. You have video arena 1, video arena 2, video arena 3. So you click on video arena 3. As you can see, these are videos that have been generated by so many people, and as you can see, this is completely free. So now it's our turn to generate our video. So now, as like I said, we can actually use this to generate a Nollywood film and we will be able to generate consistent character using our image. So when you are generating image, it becomes easy for you to get consistent characters. So now, for us to animate the image we've generated, now let's click on message, then click on slash. When I click on slash, you now select image to video. You can see that image to video, then you can now be able to select your image. Now, first of all, this is the image we generated. Now we are going to write our prompt. So for us to write our prompt, now you don't need to write this. What you need to do is just go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to restructure the prompt into a video. Okay, now let me do that now. You see, hey ChatGPT, now this time the first prompt you generated before this last one, I want to animate that scene right now. The scene is a drone shot or a full body shot, a drone shot of showing all the PPUs, the principal, the students and everyone lined up on the assembly ground. So this time I want to convert that image into a video, a cinematic video where the students are lined up on the assembly ground like that, converting the image to a cinematic video where the students are lined up on the assembly ground and the principal is talking to them, holding the microphone and talking to them. So now you're going to generate a prompt to animate this and make it extremely cinematic. It still remains a drone shot with a smooth panning. Now write the prompt. So now guys, we wait for ChatGPT to write the prompt, which we are going to use to convert that into a video. So here it goes. This is a perfect next step in building the cinematic Nollywood-style animated drone sequence of your school scene. Now here is the prompt. Now we are going to copy the prompt without wasting time. Let's copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. So now we have the prompt. Now let's move on back to our arena. Then we paste the prompt. Yes. Then we click enter. So guys, this is very simple. As you can see, this is the account I already created with Discord video arena. So now you can see it's generating videos. So our videos is being generated right now. So let's wait for our video to be generated. As you can see, this is beautiful. Okay, so let's wait for the prompt to generate our video to be generated. While we wait, as you can see, this is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. So we are waiting for our video. This usually take, as you can see, generating this can take up to 10 minutes. So we will notify you when we are done. So guys, I am going to pause the video, then we wait when it is ready. Okay. Okay guys, our video is ready now. You can see, so click on view videos. So we click on view videos and it's going to take us right there where our video is. As you can see, our video is being generated. Usually LM Arena, this video arena actually generates 2 videos for you to select one. So as you can see, the second generation was failed, at which sometimes it becomes successful. Now at least we have 1 video here, so you can see how it is. Wow, this is a smooth panning. As you can see, this is beautiful. Guys, actually, this is not long, but you can always cut out any part. So you're going to be doing this scene by scene to generate your movie and make it a complete movie. Note something, this AI tool doesn't generate voicing like the audio. So you have to do the voicing by yourself, and that is very simple and easy. I'm going to show you another AI tool. You can use any of the AI tool for voicing, or you can actually use your voice or anybody's voice. So it's very simple. So this one should generate the video for you. Then you can do the lip syncing using any other AI tool. So very, very simple. Okay. Very, very simple. Now let's generate another video for the close-ups. Now let me save the video. Okay. So I'm saving the video right now. Okay guys, now the video has been saved in my device. Now we're going to generate another one using the second image we generated. So this time we are going to do this. Now an image to video. Let's generate the image. Guys, as you can see, there are 3 scenes that were generated in this image. There is a close-up of the teacher, the close-up of the student, and the close-up of the drone shot for all the students. So now we are going to animate this. So now let's move on to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to animate it for us. Remember, you can also generate directly right here without using image. But before that, let's move on to ChatGPT again. All right. So now, ChatGPT, there are 3 scenes that were generated. There is a close-up of the teacher, the close-up of the students, and the close-up of and the drone shot of the entire student. So now I want you to animate. We want to animate this scene, and to animate this scene, I want you to animate it in such a way that the principal is talking to the student, and the student are just listening quietly, listening attentively, and that. So generate a beautiful prompt to do that. So now you're going to enter and let ChatGPT do that. So guys, actually some people uses VEO to generate this. You can use Sora AI. Sora AI is an amazing tool. I'm going to create video on Sora AI on how to use Sora AI to create any kind of videos, any kind of movies you want to use it for. So it's very, very simple and something you can do at any time. So now let me copy the prompt that have been generated so far. We can also be to use that to generate the video. Okay, now we copy our prompt. Now we move on to our arena. Then we paste the prompt and wait for our video to be ready. So guys, it's always as simple as anything. Simple, very, very simple to do that. So as you can see, other people are generating their videos too. So the video can take up to 10 minutes and we will notify you when we are done. So guys, we are going to wait for it to be generated. As you can see, there are 3 close-ups here. There is a full shot of the student, the close-up of the principal, and the close-up of the students. Now this is going to be actually hard for it to be animated correctly. For this to be animated correctly, it is going to be very hard. Now let's wait and see how the result will end. If it doesn't work, what you're going to do is that you can cut out each of the image, or just tell LM Arena image generator the first step, so that you can actually turn that into one individual pictures, not full pictures arranged in 3. So when you're done that, you can be able to animate them one by one. As you can see, this free tool is actually available. You can use it to generate many videos as you want, but I think there is a limitation to it. I've used it many times per day, but I will still be able to generate more videos. So you can use this tool to generate many videos as you want. So now let's wait for our video to be ready. Like I said, I'm waiting for our video to be ready. Once it's ready, we can be able to generate. So guys, okay guys, our video is ready. As you can see, this is very simple and very sweet. Now you click on view videos and it's going to take us right there. Wow. So this time 2 videos have been generated. You can compare and save anyone you want. Look at the first one that was generated. You see the principal is talking while the students are listening. Oh, I think there's a transformation here. That is, we may not like this. If anyone you don't like, you can actually delete it. Now let's view the second one that was generated. Wow, I think I love this one. This is beautiful, guys. As you can see, this is amazing. So we are going to download this. Now let me open that. Let me download and save it on my device. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so you can use this to create as many videos as you can. You can use it to generate as many videos as you want. All you have to do is just to get your images ready and then do that. Because I don't want this video to be longer, I'm going to use this procedure to generate more scenes for the movie and that. All right. So like I said, if it comes to the aspect of the voicing, the talking, you can lip sync, use your own voice, or you can use AI tool to make the voicing. Okay, anyhow you want it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. As you can see, this is very, very simple. This is very easy. There are a lot of people that are using this platform. It's completely free. You're not paying anything. There are a lot of people that are using it to generate videos. As you can see, this one just use it to generate videos. It's a seamless 3D cinematic animation loop. You can see now. Let's play his video and see what he got. Okay, as you can see, so these guys are using it to generate videos. So you can also join the queue and use it to generate as many videos as you wish. This tool is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay any dime. It's completely free. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you watched this very point and if you have any questions, please consider writing it down in the comment section and I will attend to it ASAP. Thank you. See you next time.